Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos. So in order to do that, the first thing we will do is we'll go over to create a design and we will look for video. Okay, and over here I'm going to choose the first video, which is of the dimension 1920 by 1080 pixel. I'm going to select this, and for this particular video we are going to use cartoon like elements. Okay, so I'll go over to the elements here and we'll look for a cartoon school, and let's see what came up with. We'll go over to the graphics. You have a school bus coming in, nothing pretty cool over here. We'll go over to photos. Let's say what we have so far, nothing. We'll go over to all. I'm going to look for school building road. Let's see what came up with. Okay, this looks pretty cool. So over here I'm looking for this school, so I'm going to go ahead and expand this, and we'll take it and expand it as this canvas here, and we'll take it over here, and let's increase the size over here. So there's this road that we have, okay, and okay, this is the road, this is the school I have. So now what I'll do is I'll look for a cartoon man here who is walking. Okay, so I'll go to the elements again and look for men walking, and I'll say cartoon style. Okay, so there are different images that you have, but only few of them are moving. So you can see here this one is moving and this one is moving, and then if you scroll down you might find something else like this lady is walking. So these are some of the images you can use, and let's say we go with this image. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. It looks too big, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce the size of this and take it all the way over here. This is there, and he's going to be walking. Okay, right now he's just walking in one particular area, so I'm going to go ahead and move him a little bit back, and then I'll select this and I'll go over to animate, and there is an option here called create an animation. It says drag elements around the canvas to create your own animations. So we'll go ahead and click on this, and we will try to make a path for him. So we'll make him move from this direction all the way to the exit. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and you can see here there is a path being formed, and make sure it is all the way straight. So I'm going to go ahead and keep moving, and you can see here this is the direction it's the canvas in. What happened is that thing ended over here, so only at this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this and do it one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and put him over here, reduce the size of this, and then I'm going to go back to the animate and look for create an animation and drag the element. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the element all the way to the end. Okay, now what I'll do is there is a couple of things you can do. You can see here movement styles original, then you have is smooth. Smooth looks like this. Too fast, okay, we can reduce the speed of him to go all the way like this. We can reduce the speed to the bare minimum, and you can see here this person goes too fast. Okay, again too fast. I'm going to go ahead and change it to the steady. This is the steady. Steady looks pretty cool. Okay, so now this man is walking. So you can change it to original the way we did it. He's look at him, he's walking too fast. Then we'll go back to steady here, and he looks steady, and then yep, that one was good. So now if I play this, this is how it looks like, a man walking in front of the school. So this is an animated video you can create. Now you can use any of your imaginations. Let's say over here I want to add a different building now. So let's say we want to move this man onto the next building or next image. All you need to do is look for that image. So let's say building road cartoon. Let's see what we have. So then you have this one, then we have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and move this and delete him and move it over to this second slide over here, and bring the same men that you were looking in the previous screen. I'm going to say men walking, the same character, and bring him the same character over here, men walking. I'm going to bring him over to this, reduce the size one more time again, and we'll put him over here, reduce the size again, and then we're going to start from here, and then we'll animate it. Same way, animate, click on animation, and we are going to follow this path here, and you can see, okay, now this is the path. You can see here the man is moving on to this path. We will change the direction to make it steady here, reduce the speed, and this is how he's walking. Okay, so this is how you can create an animated video. We'll start from the beginning, and timing we can reduce it. Okay, and we'll go back the cursor to all the way back here and click on play. Okay, we reduce the duration of this, so I'm going to go ahead and change it to 8 seconds. Okay, and then we'll start back again, take the cursor all the way back, hit play. You can see here this man is walking, and then he is going over to the next direction here. We have to reduce the size of this. We'll go back, so the man is not here up till here only, so we'll go ahead and reduce the size of this, and then we'll take the cursor back, and here is the man, finishes him, and then he goes to the next road here, and then he's walking down. So this is like a simple animated video that you can create. The main objective was to show you this, the effect that we have here, the custom effect here, where you can create a path onto the canvas to show the movement of your element. Okay, so something like this you can do to create cartoon looking videos, kids playing, things like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked this animated video that I tried to create for you. And do play around with this and let me know if you need more videos related to this particular topic, and I'll definitely add it to you. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful rest of the day.